Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change your profile picture on the Zoom Cloud Meetings app. So this will work at any mobile device, whether an iPhone, Android. It's going to be the same process throughout. So first of all, we're going to start off on the Meet and Chat part of the app, which is basically like the home page once you open the app. So first of all, you're going to want to click on the bottom right hand corner where it says settings, the little blue cog down there. That's going to bring you to the settings page. Then you'll see basically like your name, your email, etc. You're going to want to click on that part at the top. That's going to bring up your profile, and you'll see at the top of this, it will say profile photo. It should have potentially like your old profile picture or just like a square with your initials in it. You're going to want to click on there, and it'll say, it'll bring up like camera or select from photo album. Obviously, if you click camera, that'll just bring up your camera to take a profile picture right there and then. Or if you click select from photo album there, then it's going to bring up your photo album on your iPhone or Android. Then you click on whatever album you want to go on, and then just click like whatever picture you want. You can size it like this however you want to. Then once it's done, click on the top right hand corner where it says done. It will load for a few seconds, and then you'll see at the top right there it will have changed the profile picture. That's when you know it's done. So leave a like on the video if that did help you out. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on screen to see more how-to videos on the Zoom app and other ones similar. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.